What's going on, guys? We got a couple things here that we're going to do a opening and tell you initial quality, just get a good little review of what it looks like, what it comes with. So let's hit things off. Got the Milwaukee Twins lay-down license plate. Pretty good packaging. Very simple to open. Just to take a look and see what kind of mounting gear it comes with and just different kind of options that you can do. Something I did notice on a couple of different websites was the screws that came with it. There was a aluminum looked screw and a black screw that came with it. Some that might not mean a lot, but to some people that want to actually black the bike out, I mean, it means something. You ain't gotta go actually pick up a black screw, so it's just ease of use. Sorry about that. I saw like a little bit of scratching in the original packaging right here, and I was trying to make sure that it didn't actually go through to the finish. Let's take a look, make sure. Nope, did not go through. Held up pretty good. That's the top plate. Good solid metal. Pretty good finish on it. Don't think that'll be going anywhere anytime soon. Here's the back plate, and wow, this is actually really heavy. I did not expect it to be this actual heavy. But yet again, all black all the way around. Great finish on this, and just as I had assumed, there is no black hardware with this. It is all brushed aluminum looking. And a rubberized fitting as well to keep it between your bike paint and the actual metal finish on the back. So overall, packaging, product and everything, it's a very nice looking product. Looks like it's got a great finish to it. So for the price of $46, I think is what I paid for this, and it actually arrived in 2 days if I'm not mistaken from Moto Store. Cannot be any happier. This is great. In about a week to 2 weeks, I'll also show an installation on the bike. I mean, it's pretty rudimentary, simple. I mean, you just 3 holes line up to the back fender on a full fender dyna, and it's plug and play. So expect an installation video about a week from now. The reason it's a week is because right now the bike's actually in the shop getting some work done that I can't do personally. But also after the installation, about a week to 2 weeks after that, I'll also give a review of the product, how well it holds up, any vibrations, any scuff marks on the paint, so look out for that. Well, if you liked this little review and unboxing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like, or hit that dislike and let me know what you didn't like about it. Appreciate it, guys.